Because, sir, fear and anxiety in the minds of the people of Goa regarding dilapidated government buildings which are leaking due to the monsoons. I urge the government to repair such buildings on priority so that government files are safe. Such buildings do not cause any harm to government staff and the general public. Speaker, sir, 17 तारखेक कला अकादमी कोसळ्ळी. 17 तारखेक जेन्ना कोसळ्ळी तेन्ना मंत्र्यान हांगा एक मिनिट स्पीकर मंत्र्यान हांगा स्टेटमेंट केलो स्पीकर सर की हो पोर्शन आमी काम करूंकूच नाशिल्लें म्हणून. म्हजे कडेन आतां व्हिडिओ एविडन्स आहा. मंत्री थंय इन्स्पेक्शन करता 8 नोव्हेंबर 2022 I'll keep this on the table. PWD मंत्र्यान म्हाका सांगचे स्पीकर सर, this is corruption which has led to collapse of Kala Academy. It was portion where work was done. On the table of the house down the with proof. Let the minister tell me this work was taken. There has to be a free and fair probe, and the minister should resign. Before
Media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.